Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll look at the best open-plan kitchen and living room ideas. Smart layouts, cozy atmospheres, and seamless transitions between zones. When planning an open-plan kitchen and living area, it's not just about choosing colors or furniture. It's about balance. Every element should connect the two zones while keeping them distinct in function and feeling. The first thing to consider is zoning. Use light, flooring, or furniture placement to subtly separate the kitchen from the living space without breaking the sense of openness. Pay special attention to lighting. Combine general ambient light with task lighting over the countertop and softer accent light in the lounge area. Good lighting defines comfort and atmosphere more than any decor. Functional flow is key. Plan the route between cooking, dining, and relaxing so it feels natural. No obstacles, no chaos. An island or peninsula can serve as the perfect transition between zones. Think about storage and organization early. Built-in cabinets, hidden drawers, and multifunctional furniture help keep the open space visually calm and clutter-free. Choose a unified palette and materials. Repeating wood tones, stone textures, or metals ties the whole interior together, creating a cohesive look. Don't forget acoustics and comfort. Textiles, curtains, rugs, and upholstered furniture soften sound and add warmth, making the space feel truly livable. And finally, design for connection. An open-plan kitchen living room should bring people together to cook, talk, relax, and simply enjoy time at home. If you find a design you love, leave a comment below. Tell us which kitchen idea inspired you the most. In our next episode, we'll move to bigger kitchens, exploring creative ideas for medium and large spaces with islands and open layouts. Don't miss it. Subscribe and stay tuned.